DCP
Makiaria mari mwena wa Ndaragwa kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua atongoria a mung'ethaniro ni maugite he bata uthuthuria Baranginyo wigie mutino wa ndege iria mũmbunge wa Emurua Dikil Johana Ng'eno na angĩ atano marakuĩrĩirwo tabanio. Atongoria ya makiuga ni gukoretwo gũkĩgĩa na mĩtino mĩingĩ ya atongoria no ũthuthuria ũgakorwo ũgĩkururia. Atongoria ya mathiĩte na mbere na kuga no nginya minister wa ugitĩri wa thĩinĩ yeherie gĩtĩ-inĩ kĩu nigetha ũthuthuria ũyũ ũkinyanĩre. Makiuga mũtigaire Ng'eno akoretwo akĩguoyohio nĩ thirikari kũrũmĩrĩra mũrũgamo wake wĩgiĩ maũndũ matiganĩte ma kĩũteti.
As we call for investigations, I must say that Kipchumba Murkomen cannot be CS Interior, and the family of Ng'eno and the Kipsigis community and other Kenyans expect fair and transparent investigations because Kipchumba Murkomen has been fighting Mheshimiwa Ng'eno. We want to ask President William Ruto to ask Kipchumba Murkomen to step aside to allow for thorough investigations into the air crash.
Hamwe na ũguo atongoria aya nĩ mamenereirie thirikari nĩ kwaga kũrũmbũiya mathĩna ma Kenya na kũmatiga makĩgirĩka nĩ thĩna.
Na mimi sitaki mseme tulimwekelea. Hivi alafu bishop huyu ulisema inaweza sema kanisani. Bilioni 260 ambayo tutatumia katika hizi mabarabara zetu. Na sasa tumekusanya ushuru na nimekuja hapa leo. Hii barabara yenu kutoka maili 10 hapo kuja Subuku kuja hapa Shamata kwenda mpaka Kariamu, hii barabara tutatengeneza, na mimi nataka niwahakikishie mwaka 1.5 itakamilika, mimi nitakuja hapa kufungua. Ndio. Tunaelewana?
Kama you launched the barabara hapa na kusema because the clip was very clear kwamba within 1.5 years atakuja kulaunch hii barabara. Hata kama uko na shida na Rigiji, je, watu wa Shamata hawa kina mama hawa na wazazi uko na shida gani nao? Na more importantly, kiongozi wa nchi hapaswi kuwa ni mtu ambaye anaongea urongo mtupu.
Nĩ maugĩte nĩ ũndũ wa kĩeha kuona thirikari ĩkĩhithĩrĩra imaramari kuma na nja wa bũrũri ũndũ ũmwe na kũmahe maratathi ma bata ta passport.
International criminals who have been slapped with the sanctions by the United States have passports. These passports are being given by Kipchumba Murkomen, threatening the security of the country, the region, and the world. The RSF commanders are housed in Ruda, in a house guarded by the General Service Unit, and that is the work of Kipchumba Murkomen. The security of the country is under threat. The security of the region is under threat. And we are afraid that if Kipchumba Murkomen will be the CS Interior, leading to the general election, he is going to create civil war in this country because he's the one responsible for violence.
Nĩ maugĩte mangĩkaingĩra wathani-inĩ nĩ magakorwo magĩthikĩrĩria mathĩna na mateta ma Kenya makĩmoria mamanyite mbaru.
Some of us tunatarajia tutakufa wakati wowote. I can tell you that. What we are doing is si kazi ya rais hivyo. But we know kuna nchi ambayo lazima itetewe na hiyo nchi inaitwa Kenya.
Sisi tunaomba mtupee serikali ili tuwaonyeshe vile nchi inapaswa kuendeshwa so that we can be respected the way we are respected. How can you in this day and age 6 decades after independence unatoa tu kitambulisho kiholela? Na hili jambo nitalizungumzia kwa uwazi siku nyingine. Hata yule PS alikuwa education alipelekwa huku kwa registration to supervise registration of foreigners. The government is bothered about survival. Wapate kura, wafanye ukorora na mambo kama hayo, and in the process hurting the image of our country.
Handũ-inĩ ya Kameme TV kuma Shamata kaunti-inĩ ya Nyandarua niĩ njĩtagwo Francis Mwangi wa Wawĩra.
Nake Ngai mwene wega wothe